John has 1,006 points in his math class, but he must have 76% of the total points possible, which is 1,400 points, by the end of the term to receive credit for the class. What's the minimum number of additional points he must earn by the end of the term to receive credit for the class? Let's start by pointing out that to calculate his grade, you would take the number of points that he currently has, then you would divide that by the number of points possible, and this would give me his percentage grade as a decimal, and we want that to be 0.76. So the number of points John currently has is 1,006, and we want to know what's the number of additional points. We'll call that x. So I'm going to let x be the number of additional points. So 1,006 is the points he already has. If we add on the number of additional points that he needs, that would be the total points that he has. We're going to divide by the points possible, which is 1,400. And we want that to come out to be 76%. And I'm going to change 76% to a decimal as 0.76. To solve for x, since the 1,400 is being divided, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1,400. On the left-hand side, 1,400 divided by 1,400 simplify out to be the number 1, so we're left with just 1,006 plus x. And on the right-hand side, 0.76 times 1,400 is 1,064. So one way to have done the problem rather than setting up this equation would have been just to use logic and say that if he needs 76% of, and in mathematics of means multiplication, he needs 76% of 1,400 points. You could have calculated that right here. This is 76% of 1,400 points. That means he needs 1,064. Well, if he has 1,006 and he needs 1,064, we need only subtract to figure out the remaining points, and this is what the equation is doing. To solve this equation, now we need to subtract 1,006 on both sides, and this gives us that John needs 58 more points to get the desired percentage in the course.